In this video, we're going to learn how to set margins for HTML elements. First of all, let's start with the Facebook div. The syntax is pretty easy. We're going to use margin. For the Facebook div, we're going to use one value to set the same margin for all sides. So if we set that to 20 pixels, for instance, so basically we're setting a margin of 20 pixels from all sides. And what does that mean? So that means that Facebook is going to have a gap between itself and any outside or any other elements or borders of the containing elements of 20 pixels from all sides. So that's what the margin means. Okay. If we move to the Apple div, we are going to define the margin this time using four values. So let's choose 60 pixels for the top, 10 pixels for the right side, 30 pixels for the bottom one, and then 20 pixels for the right one. And basically what we have done here is that we defined different margins for each side. And just a comment, the new distance between the Facebook div and the Apple div, which is from the border to the border, is going to be the sum of the bottom margin of Facebook and the top margin of Apple. All right. Now let's move to the Microsoft div. And let's set a margin using two values. Okay. So first value is going to define the top and bottom sides margins, and the second one is going to define the margin for the right and left sides. All right.